Today we want to look at a beautiful and unique bird. This bird is called the Pied Kingfisher. It is one of Uganda's most fascinating water birds, commonly seen along lakes, rivers, and wetlands. Unlike most birds, it can hover mid-air, beating wings rapidly while fixing its eyes on prey below. With sharp eye vision and perfect timing, it dives headfirst into the water to catch the fish with stunning accuracy. In many fishing communities across Uganda, this bird is a familiar companion along the water's edge. Its constant presence signals healthy waters and active fish life. Quietly, it reflects the deep connection between nature and daily survival. And we can pick a number of lessons from it. The Pied Kingfisher teaches focus and patience. It doesn't rush, it hovers, studies, and waits for the perfect moment. So like this bird, success comes from clarity, discipline, and striking only when the time is right. And when it comes to environmental impact, as a fish hunter, it helps maintain balance in the aquatic ecosystem. Its presence is a sign of clean, thriving water bodies. Therefore, protecting wetlands means protecting the lives of the pied kingfishers. So it's important for us to keep advocating for the protection of the wetlands, for the survival of such wonderful birds. So thank you very much for listening and watching. You can always share in the comment section if you've had any interaction with these birds and what you call them in your language or in your village or in the country of residence. So thank you very much. Hope to see you next time or to catch up with you next time. Have a lovely time.